Now we'll be finding equations of lines, and a tool for finding the equation of a line is something called point-slope form. So when you see a question that says find the equation of a line, that's your tip-off that you should be using what's called point-slope form. So that's this guy, y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. All right, so for number 5, the instructions are write the line in point-slope form, so let's do that first. And that's this basic format here, so the first part of the question is asking us to write the equation in point-slope. So our line has a slope of -2, m equals -2, and passes through the ordered pair -4, 7. So this is x sub 1, y sub 1, and then this is our m slope, -2. So we have y minus 7 equals -2 times x minus -4. And I'm just going to adjust this so I have y minus 7 equals -2 times x plus 4. And in the homework, if it's asking you for point-slope form, make sure that you adjust that double negative first. So make sure that you fix that. So don't type the minus in there, type the plus in there. All right, so next up it says solve for y. Another way to ask that would be write this in slope-intercept form. Your slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, which I am sure you guys have all seen before. So I'm going to take my point-slope form, and I'm going to go ahead and distribute on the right. So I have y minus 7 equals -2x minus 8, distributing that -2. And then I want to solve for y to get this in slope-intercept form, so I can add 7 to both sides. So I end up with y equals -2x minus 1. Oops. And that's my slope-intercept form. So point-slope form first, and then we use that to get our slope-intercept form. All right, for number 6, m equals 2/3 goes through the point -6, -4. First in point-slope, I have y minus -4 equals my slope of 2/3 times x minus -6. And I'm going to fix those double negatives, so y plus 4 equals 2/3 times x plus 6. So that's my point-slope form. And this is really, really important. Some people try to bypass this double negative thing. They just leave it, and they try to go ahead and distribute 2/3. But it's really tricky thinking of how to distribute 2/3 into a -6, and almost 100% of the time there's a sign error that happens. So that's why it's really important to go ahead and adjust that double negative first before distributing or before doing any other operations. All right, so now we're going to solve for y. We're going to get this in slope-intercept form. So I'll rewrite this as y plus 4 equals, and then I'll distribute the 2/3 to get 2/3 x plus 4. Remember that plus 4 came from 2/3 times 6, which could be 6 over 1. And then either you could get 12 on top over 3 on the bottom, which is 4, or you could cancel first. 6 divided by 3 gives you 2 over 1. 2 times 2 gives you that 4. Okay, so either way, we get y plus 4 equals 2/3 x plus 4. Solve for y, so subtract 4 from both sides. So I get y equals 2/3 x plus 0, but I don't have to write the plus 0. So I'm just going to leave it as y equals 2/3 x.